Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to trade in Anime Fighting Simulator. So this would be for the Roblox app or the Roblox website on your computer. So first of all, you're going to want to look to the left hand corner of the screen where it has a little orange cog. You're going to want to click on there first, because that will bring up your settings. You're going to need to make sure that trading is on. So if it's off, you need to make sure it's green and turned on. So as you can see there, scroll down on the settings where it says trade, make sure that says on. You're going to need to do that first. Then click on the little green person icon, then click champion. Then you're going to want to click on the top left hand corner there where it says trade. Then you'll be able to put in whatever items you want to trade, then click on the person's name and then click trade with them. That'll send in the offer there. And then on their end, you'll be able to see like this where it says like accept trade. They'll want to click accept trade. So you want to make sure they do that and make sure it's accepted. It will send it on their end. Or if there's someone sent you a trade like it says here, you have to click accept trade, and that's how it's done. So leave a like on the video if you're going to go out and do this. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see my how-to videos on the Roblox app and other videos similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.